Hey everyone, while we are getting ready for this awesome vacation we're fixing to go on for a week, we are starting off our beginning from scratch, just found out we're going, getting ready kind of video. I've never really taken you through that before. I've kind of like done packing videos, which you're gonna get those because they're gonna be different because now we have 2 tweens and a teenager. So we're gonna do that differently. We're also doing clothes a little bit different this time, but anyways. So we're taking you basically from day 1 of we're leaving in less than 2 weeks and we're starting planning today. So one of the cool things that my friend Misty over at Year Round Homeschooling does is she does these really awesome packets for kids. Well, one that she just released this year was a vacation planner. And it says a kid's vacation planner. I'm not going to show you everything in it because it's her copyrighted content. But go head over to yearroundhomeschooling.com. And it's her blog, and she has these, I don't know if they're still free or for sale. And thank you again, Missy, for sending us this pack. It's really awesome. It actually goes all the way through like teaching kids how to budget for a trip, allows them to make their own packing list. And the reason why we're starting with it today is we're going to be writing out our schedule, our list of things to do. It also gives the kids a place to put what they want to take on the trip, what they want to do on the trip. It also gives them like a daily planner and other really cool stuff of just like helping them to be able to look at it and do it. I had it set aside for 7 days because we didn't know how long we were gonna be gone. So when I first printed it, and my printer does do front and back, and I do recommend that. When we first started doing it, we did 7 days worth. We're only gonna be gone for 5, so I might take a couple extra pages out. The only thing that was not included in her pack that we're doing was for road trip purposes. I'm trying to only show you what I added. That's not hers. If you go to Crayola.com, you can get a US flag with a US map. So here's our goal. One of the things we do on road trips to keep the kids busy, we have a score game that we do that was taught to us by my cousin in Canada. My cousin's the same age as my teenager. In Canada, apparently, yellow cars are not as common, and apparently their buses aren't yellow, so which is different for me because like our buses down here, most public school buses are yellow. So one thing that we do is we have the score game. Every yellow car counts as 1 point, yellow buses count as 2, the yellow semis are 2, and then like we do specialty points and stuff each trip. They're gonna get to color license plates, like if they see a license plate from a specific state, to color that state in. While we're starting getting the suitcases out, they're gonna fill out these. Once they finish filling those out, I'll go ahead and tell you a couple next steps because I don't always remember to open the camera back up in between. This is our travel bag. I don't even remember where we got this. It's a Brave thing to go bag. It might be from the Disney store, I don't know. We're gonna update it. Then we're gonna get the suitcases out. So we just finished changing laundry over. One of the reasons why we pack so early is if there's something in the laundry, like my shirt, that we need for packing, we can go ahead and ahead of time be like, hey, we need to do a load of laundry to make sure this gets washed so that we can take it on the trip. So we went ahead and did a little laundry this morning to make sure, 100% sure that everybody has what they need from what's already in laundry. And tomorrow is our last not rushed shopping day before the trip. So we have 2 Fridays left. And what I wanted to do was go ahead and get any clothing shopping out of the way this Friday so that the Friday before we leave, I'm not gonna be rushing to buy clothes to put in the suitcase. My goal is to kick off vacation the Friday before we leave and just have time to unwind and relax and spend time together. You wouldn't happen to be pouting, would you? You have paper on your leg. You wouldn't have to be pouting about us going away, would you? He knows that whenever these things come out of storage, then that means that we're going away.
He has paper on his leg. He must have ate our homework.
Yeah, he probably did eat your homework.
The dog ate our homework.
I think it's have eaten. Hey, let's not scratch the camera. Spoiled. Don't feel sorry for him. He has his own bed to lay on. He has a home sitter to watch him, who buys him treats. He has a memory foam mattress to lay on while we're gone. He has like 10,000 pounds of food. He gets filtered water and a house sitter who coddles him and loves on him and pets him the whole time we're gone, and allows him on the couch even though we normally don't. Yeah, he gets filtered water. Actually, does he have water in there? It is really hard to tell with that bowl. See, he gets filtered water. This dog is in no need of want, but when we leave, it's the end of the world for him, even though he gets spoiled the entire time we're gone. Yeah, he has plenty of food. Like, he's fine. You're just spoiled. Oh, and don't forget, you know, like 20 pounds of treats.
We've trained him to go to his bed when we pick up the treat container.
Yeah, I touched the treat. Now I've got to give him one. Now I have to give him one. Are you a good boy? Are you? Down. Has 10,000 chew toys. He's fine, but he does this every single time. Even if I pull the suitcases out to clean the closet where they go, this is him every single time. Afternoon update. Here's where we are with planning so far. This will be another video that you'll see, but we've got all of this stuff out to sort into people's individual piles. He is in full pout mode. Smallest suitcase right here, youngest child, middle child here. She's actually going to be using the, basically it's a rolling large duffel bag, but she said she was perfectly fine with that because the only alternative was to have one suitcase that didn't match. And I kind of hate doing that if like everybody else's matches have one person's that doesn't, because it just kind of feels like, oh, well, you didn't get one that matched. So, but it all came as a set, and it'll still work out for her to do that. If Matt and I were doing separate suitcases, I would just take the rolling one and then give him a suitcase and then let all the other girls have rolling suitcases. Her wheels, like I had said before, they don't go in the circle like this. They don't go all the different directions. But worst case, hers does carry by handle. So I don't think it'll be too huge of a problem. She has less problems with the one direction suitcases than everybody else does. And my teens is right, well, half of it's right here. She's got another part of it laid out on the table right here. So we're kind of piecing outfits together of how everybody wants to wear them. Day 2 of planning. Pretty much that. Pre-vacation update. Basically, all the kids are packed. We have started working on piling up the throw blankets, the throw pillows. Technically, our vacation time starts in 2 days. Our vacation leaving starts in 5 days. Goal for today, laundry. Now that the kids are packed, I don't know. Let me know below if this is just me. I always feel like parents get packed last. I always feel like I'm always packing mine and Matt's stuff last. I get through the kids first, and through their laundry and through making sure they have everything they need first before I do my own. So there's theirs. Thankfully for this may be the last trip that we have the smallest suitcase for the smallest child, the duffel bag style suitcase for the middle one. I kind of also don't like sending her with that one because, like I said, I prefer sending ones where the wheels go all the way around for all the kids, because then their luggage can move each direction. That one doesn't. So the next time we may be using, either buy them their own or using the other luggage that we didn't use this time. I like having it matched because it just, I don't know, it feels like it's all together. So we're probably not going to get to do that next time because like their clothes just fit this time. But they're packed. All 3 of the girls are packed. 2 of the two of the pillow pets, 2 throw blankets. And yes, my kids are 10, 12, and 14. They still take pillow pets. They love pillow pets. If it was in our budget, I would get my teen one of the giant pillow pets if she wanted, and you know, to get that for her. But not really right now. So Their activity bag is packed. A lot of these videos I'm naming you probably should have already seen. But so far, like, they're packed and as ready as we can go, because even though we're not leaving for 5 days, I wanted to be packed before the actual vacation time started, because we've got some fun things we're going to do before we leave town. So they're pretty much packed up. I've started working on, so what we do for our bed is, because we have a house sitter coming, we have sheets that we'll wash to change out that morning, and then we'll put our sheets that we're using right now in the dirty clothes, and then we'll either in the dirty clothes, or if we have time we'll go ahead and put them in the washer and dryer, and then just leave them in the dryer while we're gone. Not like running, just like, you know what I mean, just like in there. And that way, like, they have a clean sheet to use while they're here, and then we have a clean sheet, there's a clean set of sheets to use when we get back. So it kind of like works out. Right now, fixing to put my laundry away. I had to wait to pack theirs until laundry was caught up, and that wasn't like bad, it was just like that one favorite pair of this or one that. So we had to wait for that, and we had to wait for a swim shirt to arrive, pajamas to arrive. I don't remember if we had to wait for capris to arrive or not, but we had to wait for a couple pieces that we ended up having to order last minute so that they could be packed. This bag has pockets. Because this bag has pockets on the side, I was able to fit the sunscreen here, the citronella bands here. These are the only things that would not fit in this bag with all the toiletries bags in here. So with everybody having the separate bags, like I said, so all the toiletries are in here except for those, but that's okay. These are just in case. It's just the last time we did one, we ended up running out with everybody using them with only one pack. So I bought 2 more and then forgot that I had that one at home. So I have 3. I may or may not leave one here. I don't know. Anyways, but yeah, like, look at this bag. I love this. I don't even know where my mother-in-law got it, but she knows me because she knows I love big bags with pockets. I am not a minimalistic when it comes to packing. I want to have everything prepared so I don't have to stop when I get up there for anything. So sunscreen's here, and there's more sunscreen going with this in a cooler bag as well, but it has the one with the lip balm in it, or the lip balm with SPF in it. What is the SPF on that? 45. So it's in here, and then the 2 unopened ones are here, the citronella bands are here, and everybody's towels and their Seaway water shoes. So all the stuff for grab and go all fits in here organized. Then I was able to get the toiletries in there. Makes one more bag to take up to the hotel room, but this one has a shoulder strap, and only 4 of us are taking, well, no, there is the electronics bag is rolling, so we'll roll that one too, but that's a shoulder bag, and it's not that heavy, so it's super light. It has this, and it has the shoulder strap right here, has a padded shoulder strap, so can just take that with us. And I can take that and roll the other bag, because Matt usually takes the heavier suitcase up anyways, because he's a superhero like that. And yeah, so now all we have is we have the beach towels in here with all the stuff we need for day use to just grab and go. And I can just grab it each morning on our way out the door, and we have it ready to go. We don't actually put these in here, the Seaway shoes in here every single time. We do that just for travel purposes, like getting us to the hotel, and then the bags will be put away in a storage drawer until we're ready to check out. But yay, so super happy. So that pretty much, I think, is going to finish us up on packing, except for food. Because we're going to be doing lunches at the hotel or picnicking in between hikes and stuff, I'm just going to do a bag of dry goods for the hotel for us to take, like paper, like instead of just buying new ones too, I'm just going to take the red, white, and blue Mickey ones that we had bought that were extra. And I literally had bought these, and it just kind of felt like that. I mean, it wasn't an impulse buy. Some of you know what I mean, like that you're going to need this kind of feeling. So I went ahead and bought 2 packs of the plates and 1 pack of the napkins. But the napkins, there's quite a few there. And there's a mixed box of forks and spoons there with the, oh, I need to put straws in there for the cups. But like the cups are there. Then I can put our itinerary and our just in case post 2020 stuff items all in this bag and make it easier to carry up. Then I can have the dry goods stuff for food set aside all together. While dinner's making on the stove, I decided that I'd go ahead and start bagging up the dry goods that we slowly stock up on before vacation. So a lot of the things in here, like we have a large container of the sea salt cashews. I have a gift bag that I got to get at a ladies gift exchange where it has K-Cup coffee in it. It has like a dark roast, which Matt doesn't mind, and I'll sometimes drink it, but I have to have creamer with it. But I don't have one at home, but the hotel room does, so we're going to take one with us. One of the on-the-go 6-packs of mangoes. For the kids, we're taking 1 box of the Go-Go Squeeze Blast. We're also going to take the Go-Go Squeeze Fruit and Veggies. We're kind of finishing off a box that we already had open that had the Petal Peach and the Speedy Strawberry. We actually had never tried the Speedy Strawberry before we started getting it in a multi-pack, and I think everybody likes it. Yeah, they said that they like them. So I know they like the peach. And then again, there it is, the Speedy Strawberry. I might buy another pack while I'm at Walmart on our shopping day pre-trip. I don't know. We've got quite a few in here, and the goal is to only really have snacks for like on the go and only be snacking the first night. I also went ahead and put 2 packs of popcorn in here just because in case we get rained out, we could do like popcorn and a movie in the hotel room since there is a microwave at the hotel. We're also doing 1 box of these blueberry breakfast biscuits. There's like 4 or 5 biscuits per 4 or 5 pack. I think it's 4 biscuits per 5 packs. So kind of just like a light snack. 1 box of the protein bars, so that we do have something with protein other than just the nuts, and it has chocolate in it as well. And some lemon blueberry granola for snacking. Oh wait. Also, I told the kids that we could bring some tea, and I'm going to buy some disposable coffee cups because you only get like normally like 2 a day in your room if they're even back to doing room checks every single day. Right now, I'm not even 100% sure. So I'm going to take some raspberry zinger. That seems to be one that works over well with everybody. And one of the kids requested, I'm going to see if Walmart sells them, Live Alaska, when they sent us their Alaska Tennessee exchange box. Like we sent them a box from Tennessee, they sent us one from Alaska. They had honey sticks, like sticks that had honey in it. I'm going to see if Walmart sells them and see if we can get some so that they can sweeten their tea at night. If not, I might pick up like some French vanilla Torani or something like that that we can add to the teas at night for them. And I'm going to be buying creamer anyways for our coffees. I think the only things we've added here were we added the pump hand sanitizer that I'm going to keep on the counter in the room. I might take it in the car with us. This one's definitely for the car. I added a pack of baby wipes and the masks just in case we need them. And the carabiners for carrying canteens and cups. These are really nice because they have like handle grips on them. And they can also clip to their backpacks. And I also added our disposable straws. That pretty much finishes us up for preparing for a vacation. The only 2 things we have left is a shopping day and a cleaning day. We decided to go ahead and postpone doing our cleaning day until the 2 days before. We have like 1 day of wiggle room to get some stuff done, so we're going to do it on that day so it's closer to being right before vacation to have it clean before our dog / house sitter comes. So that's it for this. If any of this was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for the requests that you send us, and let's see, the next video you should see would be the shopping haul before we go. And that's about all I'm going to tell you spoiler wise what you're going to see. But vacation videos are going to be rolling out starting next week, I think. I think they are. I hope you're looking forward to them because we're looking forward to them. We look forward to actually editing the videos when we come back. The kids can watch back on them and look at some things that we did and didn't do on the vacation, or that we did do on the vacations. And it's fun for us to make these videos, and it's also fun for us to share them. So we hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.